Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term Ohana. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, Ohana is a Hawaiian word meaning family, including extended and adopted members. People use it when talking about close family ties and a sense of community. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Ohana first showed up in Hawaiian culture and was popularized globally by Disney's 2002 movie Lilo and Stitch. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among fans of Hawaiian traditions and pop culture lovers. Now let's check out how to use Ohana in a sentence. Correct example 1. In Hawaii, people say Ohana means your whole family and close friends. Correct example 2. I invited my Ohana over for a big barbecue this weekend. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Ohana at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Ohana right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Ohana means a Hawaiian word for family, including extended members. It started in Hawaiian culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Ohana in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.